This video is for 3 vintage doorknobs. Now, I grew up with stuff like this in my old house, my parents' old house. So when I seen these, they flashed back memories. I believe it's like a diamond. Now I can't tell you what color this is. I put it on several different backgrounds to try to get the color. And the measurement would be, say, I don't want to bang these against each other. I'm going to wrap each of them individually. Let's see about the measurement there. The measurement is the same. These two are the same. My son says they're orange, or whatever color, a color based around orange. Of course, that's green. It's beautiful. These, I believe, have to be used with some type of old, door latch, whatever you want to call it. These will not work. I'll tell you one thing, in my new apartment, latches, doorknobs. Now I was looking at these really carefully, and I don't see anything that jumps out at me that's damaged on them. See, it's nice and clean. Now, of course, I'm keeping these wrapped individually. I'm going to put several pictures of these up on eBay. See, just look, there's a chip right here. I feel it. You can see it right here. Not noticeable on that one. I don't see anything on this one, but this one does have a chip. It's not something that you're going to notice right away. If you're going to use this as a doorknob, you're not even going to see it. But it's there, and I want to note about it. It's a couple, like here, here, here. Well, I have these up on eBay, Video Gamer Daryl, Antiques. Thank you for viewing.